Hi ATP, I'm here to make you another video today. I'm going to be showing you how I fold my laundry. I've got some towels, I've got some shirts, I've got some shorts and some pants. So let's get started.
So first I'm folding a kitchen towel in half, then in half again, and maybe one more time. With a bath towel, I might hold it up, fold it in half, make sure that the edges are lined up, then lay it flat and fold it in half again, fold it in half the other way, and then maybe one more time to make it fit in your closet. With shorts, here you can see they were inside out. You always want to make sure that you turn everything right side out. Then I lay them flat, fold them in half, then fold them in half again. Easy. With sweatpants, you can see here the pockets are turned out, so I'm pushing them back in. Then hold them up straight, shake out all the wrinkles. Fold them in half the long way, then top to bottom and bottom to top. Jeans are kind of the same. You just hold them up, fold them in half the long way, then lay them flat and fold in half, and in half one more time. There are many ways to fold a t-shirt. The easiest is to lay it down flat, make sure all the wrinkles are out, take one sleeve, bring it over to the other sleeve, then fold the sleeves in and go bottom up to the top, bottom up to the top until you have a square. Here's a t-shirt that's inside out. So again, like I did with the shorts, you want to make sure everything is right side out. Getting the sleeves set. There we go. Hold it up. Then you're going to, just like the last time, lay it flat, get out all the wrinkles. One sleeve over to the other sleeve, fold the sleeves in, then bottom up to the top, and one more time until you have a square. And now you're done.